Oh nah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Elegant.
Go.
Say you make her come closer. She wanna feel my body closer, yeah. Now she don't wanna let go. Now she don't wanna let go. Girl, you they confuse me, yeah, yeah. Your body they confuse me, yeah, yeah. Girl, you they make me color. She tell me don't rush, but don't stop. She's loving the things I do to her. The way I'm made, I feel, yeah, yeah. She tell me don't rush, but don't stop. She's loving the way I'm made, I feel. The things I do to her, yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Going in, yeah. Me man no pay wia, me salmon and numre. I hit her from the back to me no honor offer. She say I be player, but me self I no get Jesse. She's going through my phone, asking question who be Jesse. But me know me a rapper, what am I supposed to do? You see a lot of girls are crushing, what am I supposed to do? She they confuse me whenever we did together, cause whenever we did together, she say.
Hey beautiful people, yeah, that was a very nice track. I love this track. It's titled Rush, and guess who is behind the track? It's no other person but our most fabulous and most creative producer. His name is KITONEE. KITONEE, tell us about yourself.
Elegant.
Yeah, you what up my people, my name is KITONEE. As you guys can see, I was actually mixing my own song on. That's my track. One track in my EP.
One question I want to ask him, alright? What inspired you actually behind this track?
Actually, the day I recorded this track, I didn't plan recording that day. So I had the inspiration of the beat. I had the chorus, but the verses were not ready. So when KITONEE came, I was like, I love this beat is dope. Gotta do something. And so when I started writing the verse, I had to come up with my own verse. And that was how the track came up.
So I want him to really tell us a little more about what we are trying to cook up here. Okay, so guys, let's listen to him. What are we expecting from you, KITONEE? What are we expecting, we, the audience, expecting from you?
I just want you guys to be expecting much, like expecting his tracks from my EP, powered by Elegant Empire. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Trust me on that. Thank you.
That's KITONEE, alright? That's to tell you guys that we are really doing a lot here at the Elegant Empire Music. And then if you are out there and you want to be a part of what we are doing, first of all, go down to our YouTube channel and click on that subscribe button. And that's not all. Make sure you click on that bell notification you're seeing there. That's going to give you notification on our new videos so you can be the first to see what we are actually doing here at the Elegant Empire Music. Alright? So we are promising you that we're going to give you the best. The best in music, the best in movies, and whatever you are expecting entertainment wise. Ladies and gentlemen, do not be left out. Catch you guys. Peace out.